In today's corporate landscape, sustainability has become a vital focus, and navigating the complexities of sustainability reporting can be daunting. That's where AI agents come to the rescue, playing a pivotal role in helping companies adhere to Corporate Sustainability Reporting Directive (CSRD) regulations. Picture handling over 1,100 data points related to environmental, social, and governance (ESG) aspects. An overwhelming task akin to sorting spaghetti blindfolded. AI agents simplify this by automating data collection, integrating seamlessly with existing systems, and providing real-time ESG insights. This frees up valuable human resources while ensuring accuracy. Beyond data management, AI agents excel in analysis, acting as data detectives that dive into extensive data sets with advanced analytics. Their prowess allows companies to identify crucial sustainability factors, aligning strategies with impactful initiatives. Compliance is another area where AI agents shine, rigorously validating data against CSRD requirements to prevent errors. This diligence enhances transparency, boosts stakeholder confidence, and strengthens corporate relationships. As adaptability becomes essential, AI agents keep businesses agile amidst evolving regulations. They not only ensure ESG compliance, but also maximize efficiency and foster trust. Whether large or small, businesses can harness AI agents to meet evolving ESG demands and pave the way for strategic success.